Alright, the simple code that we use the delay here, right? Delay. So we use a switch here to toggle the LED, right? We can solve it by using extended interrupt because the switch is at pin PC13. So the source is from extended interrupt 13. So we can cut out this one, right, and replace it with this. So instead of jump to switch and check the LED and then you know monitoring this loop, when the loop out and then toggle the LED. So we can do it, just jump and check the loop, right? But the LED is totally controlled by the extended interrupt. Or using the by using the C stick, so the code is simpler. So when time out, then we display the count and increase count repeatedly. But when the interrupt or the extended interrupt from PC13 is requested, then the LED is toggled. So we write code based on the right one. Okay, so first create a new STM project. As usual, STM32F401, I use for one, RE, T6, click on the top, next, go to locations, we want to place code, so I will put in D, RE, folder, next, name it as, let's say, example number 1, the project name, click finish. Go to the STMQMX connectivity, we're going to use USET2, click USET2, asynchronous. Okay, we accept that parameters. Next, we go to the pinout, right? Pinout. Okay, we're going to use PA5 as GPI output. Next, click on PC13, GPI output. Next, go to the system view, click on GPIO. Ensure that the pin is, sorry, that one should be this one, reset state. This one should be GPIO input, extended input 13. So now we change to, here we have the extended interrupt, right? With rising each trigger, but we want is falling each because the push button is set low. And falling each means when we press, then it will be interrupted. Let's go to the system view again, MBIC, then enable the interrupt here. We can set it to the priority if you like. Let's say reduce lower than the system interrupt, say, and then go back to the then generate code. Okay, now we can go to core source code, click on main. Okay, we go to the main first. So what we do here, first, right, of course we need some, okay, we need include stdio.h, include string dot h. Then we need the PV, our PV. We need character tx2 buffer, say 100, right? Then okay, so in the code we can write something like, okay, first PV, okay, first of the LED. Next, disable external interrupt, because we're going to use the same push button for the external interrupt. Then wait till the push button, the blue button is pressed. Then wait till the blue button is released. Okay. Next, what we have, then we need to re-enable the EXTI. Okay, so here we display preambles. Okay, so this one offlet yashal underscore GPIO underscore right. So the pin is port A, pin number 5, 85. The pin is the LED is 85. So it's my GPIO underscore pin underscore reset semicolon. So that one is off. Next, disable the EXTI. To disable, so this one we need to so EXTI. So the pin is, the pin is EXTI underscore MR, right? So EXTI underscore IMR. Okay. Pin number. So we'll end with title 1 UL shifted left by 13. Okay, so this one to disable. Then display the preamble. We display the string copy. Oh, no default because we're not safe. Okay, string copy into tx2 buffer. Double quote /r/n is simple EXTI number 1. Simple. Press button please. Then we transmit it HAL underscore transmits. You want transmit to UART2. So this the data is UINT8 underscore T strip strip TX to buffer. slash we use the string length strlen string length the buffer, and timeout is 10. Okay, 10. Okay, so the one. Okay, now we wait for the button, the push button, while GPIO HAL GPIO underscore pin underscore read pin GPIOC pin number 13 is equal to hi GPIO underscore pin underscore set. Okay, which if less than delay 10 milliseconds. Then again, if rush, then we wait to until release. Change to reset release the push button. Push button is active low. Push button is active low, so this one reset while it is low. Right? And then we display another thing saying set running, and then re-enable, right? Re-enable the okay, so we can use the code. Right? Okay, so we can use EXTI. Okay, we have EXTI. No need. EXTI, IMR. We have IMR. And one UL or one shift to the left by 13. Okay, so that one we enabled it. The extended interrupt. So now the button is working in standard interrupt. But because we are going to use the I'm going to use this 66. Okay, 16 on the right. So go to the PV, then add something like UINT32 underscore T, okay, and type T naught because we have one, T naught. Then label, right? Label the T naught. So T naught is equal to HAL underscore get tick. Okay, so we label it. Now we can write code here. If T naught less than HAL get tick, okay, HAL get tick. Then advance T naught by okay, by say by 200 or 100 millisecond. Next, then we print something like as printf as printf into tx buffer. Underscore /r/n counter equal %d double quote cnt and then increase cnt, then print. Okay, print, and okay, remember that we have count here. Then we need to uint it underscore t count equal 0. Compile. Okay, so now we can regenerate code and run. Okay, so we see now extend the interrupt example 1. I reset the button, reset, then press blue button. Okay, running. But now if I press the button, if I press the button, nothing happen. Okay, right, because we disable already. No, we re-enable. It's already but we write nothing in our code. Okay, so here now, sorry. Now we go back to the STM F4 SXITXC. Okay, maximize it. Then go straight to the under AXT 15 to 10. Then we can write code here or here. Up to you. Okay, code begin. Up to you. As well as it's between the begin and end. So now I want to print out interrupted, for example, and I want to toggle R underscore GPIO underscore toggle. Toggle pin E, POE, pin underscore 5. Okay, so toggle pin 5. So we can see later on that one. Next, we want to print. We want to print something like. So to print, of course, we need to copy this one because it's required by. Okay. Okay, yeah. Next, go to main. Copy this one. Right. Go here. Okay, we have here external variable. Print this one. Ex the extend, right? And then just forget it. Do it like that. Okay. Next, go to main. Copy this one, right? And place it here. Interrupt is requested. Okay. I compile this one. Copy the result. Okay, compile and run. Okay, I reset. Press button. Now if I each time I interrupt it, right? So you see the LED toggle and the same time it's printed here. So that is the basics of the extended interrupt. Okay, bye.